Building business credit from scratch can seem like a big challenge, especially if you are an immigrant or someone who has just entered the U.S. job market and are facing credit issues. But don't worry. By using the right techniques and methods, you can start building your business credit from scratch and quickly strengthen it. This not only helps you obtain more suitable loans and lines of credit, but it also opens up new financial and business opportunities for you. The first step in building business credit from scratch is legally registering your business. This is crucial for immigrants who still don't have a business bank account or have just started working. You need to officially register your business and list its information in various business databases. This is especially crucial for expatriates who do not yet have a business bank account or have just started working. You must officially register your business and submit its information to various business databases. In addition, you need to obtain an employer identification number (CHI) from the IRS. This number is essential for reporting taxes and applying for business credits. After registering your business, it's very important to set up a business bank account for your company. This number is essential for reporting taxes and applying for business credits. After registering your business bank account is crucial. This account should be separate from your personal account to show business independence. This account should be completely separate from your personal account, so you can demonstrate that your business is independent of your personal credit. Using a business bank account for transactions automatically starts building your business credit and ensures that financial and commercial organizations officially recognize your business. The next step is to obtain credit from suppliers. Suppliers might hesitate to give credit, but you can build trust by small purchases paid quickly. Some suppliers like Uline, Quill, and Granger help new businesses build credit. These purchases can be reported to build credit. Using business credit cards is one of the quickest ways to build credit. These purchases can be reported and boost your business credit even if you don't have official credit yet. Using business credit cards is indeed also one of the quickest ways to build credit.
While you need to make your payments on time, if you use business credit cards and manage them properly, not only will you strengthen your business credit, but you'll also have better terms for obtaining business loans. To build business credit, establish a positive payment history by paying expenses and debts on time. This is crucial for securing future loans. Use online payment services like PayPal or Square to manage finances and strengthen credit. This lifetime is very important for businesses that want to receive loans from banks or financial institutions in the future. Use tools like PayPal or Square to manage finances and build business credit. Building credit takes time, but by using these techniques, you can establish credit and achieve your goals. Learn from others, consult experts, and monitor finances to succeed. Start now. Careful steps and proper credit management lead to success. Learning from the experiences of others, consulting with financial experts, and regularly monitoring your business finances can help you on this journey. So start now and take the initial steps carefully. Your confidence and proper management of credit will lead you to success. So, start now and take the initial steps carefully. Your confidence and proper management of credit will lead you to success.